Here's a quick review of the Neakasa Pet Grooming Kit. Here's how it comes packed. This powerful and quiet vac works great on your fur babies. This is a top coat attachment and works very well, as you can see. Once the attachment has fur in it, just simply push the top release button that cleans the comb and lets the vacuum suck the fur down into the container. This was just after a few strokes of the attachment. We just brushed our cats a day ago. Here's the brush attachment. It works great on furniture and other areas that need a brush. The skinny nozzle works great for picking up any extra catnip or fur in the corners of the room. In addition to working wonders on our cat, the undercoat attachment really cleaned the cat tree very well and quickly, much faster than our typical vacuum. Clean out is a breeze. Just remove the canister and dump it so you're ready for the next use.